orthogonality. In the last class we have learned about how to find the angle between two intersecting circles. By using that formula, here you can find the condition for orthogonality. Orthogonality is nothing but perpendicularity. Two intersecting circles are said to be orthogonal if the angle between them is a right angle. Two intersecting circles are said to be orthogonal. Two intersecting circles orthogonal and the angle is a right angle. Angle between the two intersecting circles is right angle. Right angle is nothing but 90 degrees. Right angle is nothing but 90 degrees. We know the formula. Cos theta is c plus c dash minus 2g dash minus 2ff dash by 2 into square root of g square plus f square minus c square root of g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash is minus c dash. This is the formula for finding the angle between two intersecting circles. Here theta is 90 degrees. So this value becomes cos 90. You know the value of cos 90. What is the value of cos 90? That is 0. Cos 90 degrees is 0. You have learned in trigonometric ratios. Cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 is 0 and this value becomes c plus c dash minus 2g dash minus 2ff dash is equal to 0 into this numerator. 0 into this value. 0 into something is 0. That is equal to 0. Now c plus c dash. C plus c dash. And these two values transposing that side, these two are negative, transposing that side, that becomes positive, 2g dash plus 2f dash. So condition for orthogonality is nothing but c plus c dash is equal to 2g dash plus 2f dash, or condition for orthogonality. Condition for orthogonality. Condition for orthogonality is 2g dash plus 2ff dash is equal c plus c dash. Condition for orthogonality is 2g dash plus 2f dash. Condition for orthogonality is 2g dash plus 2ff dash is equal c plus c dash. Now you can do one problem. Show that the circles intersect each other orthogonally. We have to show that the given two circles are intersect each other. First, we have to take first circle, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 7 is equal 0. This is the first circle. Next, second circle, 3x square plus 3y square minus 8x plus 29y is equal to 0. Here 2y minus 2y minus 7 is equal 0. That is the first circle. This is the equation of the second circle. Second circle, general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy. The general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of the circle, but this is not in the form of this x square plus y square. Ikkada x square and y square having the coefficients. ఈ ఫార్ములాకి రావాలి అంటే you have to divide every term by 3. You have to divide every term by 3. And this value, this equation becomes x square plus y square minus 8 by 3x plus 29 by 3y is equal to 0. This is in the form of general equation of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Take it, this is the second equation. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ నుంచి you have to find, from the first equation you have to find g, f, c values. 2g means x coefficients. In the first equation x coefficient is minus 2, so g is equal minus 1. Next 2f means y coefficient is minus 2, so this value is also minus 1. Next, constant is minus 7. Next, from the second equation, here we are taking g dash f dash c dash, 2g dash, this is nothing but x coefficient, minus 8 by 3. Then g dash is g dash dividing by 2, ఇక్కడ కూడా మనం చేసినది dividing by 2 అన్నప్పుడు minus 8 by 3 by 2 అంటే 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are by the cross multiplication 2 3s are 6, that is g dash. Next, 2f dash and this is coefficients of y. Coefficient of y is 29 by 3. F dash is here also 29 by 2 3s are 6. Next, constant c dash is here, there is no constant term in the second equation, so this value becomes 0. Next, we have to show that given two circles are intersect. The given two circles intersect each other orthogonality. So what is the condition for orthogonality? 2g dash plus 2f dash is equal c plus c dash. This is the condition for orthogonality. So you have to show that we have to show that we have to show that 2g dash plus 2f dash is equal c plus c dash. 2g dash plus 2f dash is equal c plus c dash. So first we have to take LHS. What is the LHS? 2g dash plus 2f dash, that is the LHS. 2 into, what is the value of g? Minus 1, and g dash is minus 8 by 6 plus 2, f is minus 1, f dash is 29 by 6, minus into minus plus, 2 1s are 2 3s are, so that is 8 by 3, plus into minus becomes minus, again 2 1s are 2 3s are, so that is 29 by 3, 29 by 3, 8 by 3 minus 29 by 3, here denominators are equal, so just 8 minus 29, 8 minus 29, what is the value of 8 minus 21? That is minus 21 by 3, 3 1s are 3 7s are, so LHS is equal minus 7. Then what is the value of RHS? RHS is c plus c dash. C, the value of c, what is the value of c? Minus 7, c is minus 7, c dash is 0, minus 7 plus 0 is minus 7. What is the value of LHS? LHS is also minus 7, RHS is also minus 7, that is therefore LHS is equal RHS, LHS is equal RHS, and indeed 2g dash plus 2f dash is equal c plus c dash. We have verified that condition, the condition is satisfied. So therefore the given two equations are, the given two equations of circles are orthogonal, intersect orthogonally, therefore the given two circles intersect orthogonally, or intersect each other orthogonally. The given two circles intersect each other orthogonally. The given two circles intersect orthogonally. Okay. Next, ఇక్కడ ఏంటి మనం చేసాము? Show that the two circles intersect each other orthogonally అన్నప్పుడు first we have to find out g dash f dash c dash, and the condition for orthogonality is 2g dash plus 2f dash is equal c plus c dash. So we have to verify the condition 2g dash plus 2f dash is equal c plus c dash. Verify చేసామంటే LHS is equal to RHS అన్నాము. The given two circles intersect each other orthogonally. Next, కొన్ని హోంవర్క్ చేస్తే మీరు కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నారంటే ఈజీగా మీకు అర్థమైపోతుంది. డూ దీస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. షో దట్ the given circles intersect each other orthogonally. 3 questions ఉన్నాయి. ఆ 3 questions ని కంప్లీట్ చేస్తే మీకు పర్ఫెక్ట్గా వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.